Safety Tongs from Inrock Equipment Systems. This video is intended to provide instruction on the standard operating procedures for the Inrock Safety Tongs. All safety tongs are shipped in a reusable marine-grade plywood box. Dividers are provided so that the tongs, cylinder, and pump can be safely stored and protected. Using a backhoe or other lifting machine, hook onto the ring in the middle of the hanger chain and lift the tongs from the storage box and position them over the connection. Position the tongs for either makeup or breakout over the connection. Lower the tongs around the connections, making sure the chains are on top of the connection. Guide the chain nut into the receiver and tighten the adjusting nut, removing the slack from the chain. Hook the chain nut and tighten the hex nut until it is firm by hand. Using the provided wrench, tighten the hex nut on both tongs. Do not use a cheater bar or extension. Tightening this nut will cause the tongs to grip the pipe with limited movement of the handle. Attach the hydraulic hoses to the cylinder. Using the pump, extend the cylinder. Lower the lifting machine and allow the tongs to spread. Connect the cylinder to the handle pins. Always use the inside facing pins for the connection. Extend the cylinder until the limit chain is taut. Tighten the hex nut. Make up the connection. This particular connection requires a torque of 4,000 foot-pounds. This model of safety tong yields a torque of 675 foot-pounds per 100 psi, indicating a target pressure of 590 psi. If the cylinder stroke is consumed before the desired pressure is reached, simply shift the control valve, extend the cylinder. The tongs will ratchet. Shift the control valve to retract and continue pumping until the desired pressure is reached. Once the proper torque is achieved, release the pressure and remove the cylinder. Remove the tongs from the connection. The hex nuts may need to be loosened slightly. The connection makeup is now complete. Position the tongs for breakout. The tongs should be positioned about ½ an inch away from the joint. With the chains on top of the connection, lower the tongs around the connection. Hook the chain nut and tighten the hex nut as required. Lower the tongs and allow them to rotate around the connection. Install the cylinder. Always use the inside facing pins. Always install the safety pins. Extend the cylinder until the limit chain is taut. Shift the control valve into the retract position and retract the cylinder. Placing the breakout tong on the connection. Continue until the pressure gauge shows a distinct drop in pressure. Continue to pump until the connection is loose. Remove the safety pins and the cylinder. Remove the safety tongs from the connections and place them in the container for safekeeping. The Inrock Safety Tongs is a tool that has been designed to provide the ultimate in control and safety for the otherwise dangerous operation of makeup and breakout of pipe and tooling connections on the exit pit side. For your safety and the safety of your crews, contact Inrock Equipment Systems at 877-246-7625 or Driller Supply at 866-466-7711 for your own set of safety tongs.